Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ka Nangmendalgre kadai ka wei ka shnong ka balabna nam kum ka wei na ki Ktem ba Khlaiñ bha jong ka seng Lehnoh Garo National Liberation Army lani ka GNLA. Ka Nangmendalgre kadai ka shnong try jong usohan di shira. Nong yalam balapau bha jong ka kanhon hagisnem ki bala Lehnoh. Menta ka shnong Nangmendalgre kala kalalong ka wei na ki shnong ka ba kring bha ya ki nong Jngohkai Pyrthei. Kani ka shnong kahap ha William Nagar jong ka East Garo Hills District. Ka jingkring ya ki nong Jngohkai Pyrthei kadai namar ka jingdon jong ka wa chibok ka Jaka bala ri penne pensa ya ki dokha dok penan. Hagi por badang Khlaiñ bha ki kampen trim jong ka kanhon GNLA. Om judon ki banwan Jngohkai sya kani ka dong ka thany. Khamtam hapok kani ka district namar ka jing shong seir bat ka jing shep ting ya ki Lehnoh. Kadai haus nem arhajar san baga jing persyang jong ka shnong ban wat ya ki lat ki lenti kala seiso bat la seng bat sedang ban pentrekam ya ka Nangmendalgre Fish Sanctuary. Menta hadin bagi bor sorkar lengba ketanat pulit gila laban penduk jatno yagi kampen trim jong kiseng Lehnoh kasinong Nangmendalgre kala kelalong ka wei na ki Jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei kapapau bha hapo rilom Garo. Hagani ke Jaka om sya yano ruban khwai bat ladalap ya ki bapen ya kani ka adong kiba le tu bat le thok kin sya dan kuna lengba ka jingbishar jonggan Nangmendalgre Fish Sanctuary Committee kabapet bakmi bat penyat ya kani ka Jaka.
Anga naran 6 moment Nangmendalgre song ni.
His name is Naran S. Woman and he's from this Nangmendalgre village. Basa kuni dapat nak semangari ya fish sanctuary ko doon na bachingan hari fish sanctuary ko doon ni mengna na simangara may nam ginirang kumat na hana.
saya sistem seriko mana ada tahun dari kantor di sini saya rakyatnya yang ini kemen rakyatnya larun dari government tak kan yang kubat sama ini yang tak pana kamlang ko kain bani sistem seriko saya tak punya sini
May bulsin abet nga.
saya bersih apa dengan dia jadi main dia dasar hazard ni bunga ni hazard ni bunga
Started right from 2005 with the view to increase the number of fish in this river, this Chibok river, and they are receiving funds from the government also. Maybe through fishery department ni kita mah.
fishery department ni kita
Oh, yeah.
Tentang department nang ba?
They are getting the funds from the government through fisheries department and other line departments. So na to koran mamram jana.
terminja
Never.
atau
So then it is a natural death, no? The fish will have a natural death. So
Yes. That is na suni na to koran je na to fish jodis kathan siang ai tina. Ga do na ba. That is what.
So what is the purpose of this? Only for the sanctuary means people as a tourist place only.
Yes. To attract the tourists. That is I think the main purpose of keeping this fish sanctuary. Mo. Manderang ko iba niat na mangsungan di diwasan. Dapat mo mangsungan ni kaya ba mo.
Kepenang ciri ideang ini dia kan, kecilan kau ciatur kan, iwan dake doni ah.
As I have told you, the same time to increase the number of fishes in this river. So that the fishes will increase from this special place, this very place.
Fish moves.
Yeah, so wherever it flows, the number of fishes will follow this river. May rang ko na sura ala na.
jadi murirang pala lagu lagi samsirang kubar ada Allah
Just feeding
aru
the
mandirang bang
Yeah.
tadi beng bana
Yeah.
ala nirang ko ni unim bana arlim bana niang pa
just feeding the fish with grasses. Then like you have seen this what is called muri. Then people are also bringing some kind of food for the fish. Bang dia patang men mo. Bang dia ya dia kora dia ni mandirang makan mak siamo. Segi makan mak siamo. Ndak betul pemain nak simangara. Mai dakki ya fish sanctuary ko bacingna chanci hana.
ya 근데 제가 송리 잔침 bana ya kul fish sanctuary don gen aning bana songan dumuk apsan meeting bana ya kul 잔치를 미용 bana 송리 만찬 ya kul fish sanctuary na nim bana apni songan
The decision is purely by the community to keep this fish sanctuary even during those high time when militancy was here active in this area.
Karena nak tok lang ni.
Militants did not disturb those days.
Isang ba maam ko ba kalak sa ba muna?
kalak
No, they didn't disturb.
그러면 가리 리잡 앞에 바스 상수 디 탐디 그래 라플린 bana ni kalan dan semai namu debel karang wajang ode sidal jang ode
Flow up to this
ina di baro
almost every day. Yeah. But lagi boleh nang sini ba ma bigil ke pok nang ba?
idi benga
Riba mo. Yeah, both domestic and there's foreign tourists are visiting this place.
cari de cari mandalo de mati jang kanen sabit tak berba bang ade bangja ni mong bat nga ya janggit na gada de nga halangan ko tharim bana sathoki nga arwan dakke bagan bari ran ko takki mung bana wirang ko tharim bana khali senga sio hagal sopli hagal sop mura keng man thainga anekin janggit hana nangani bun janggit nga
Yeah, for living they have started this arecanut plantation, and some of the villagers are they have their own furniture industry. See, like in William Nagar market, especially on Sundays, you can see the people selling bags and all. So that's also one of the occupation of the villagers.
So this fish sanctuary is maintained by the community.
Yes.
And how do they sustain because of the fees of the visitors
Yes.
or any
Well,
other?
Nasungdi yan na de, ya fish sanctuary ko daon lagi doning ani na de. Nasungdi na entity lang ko ang ito ko na mo. Warang sin nasungdi ya fish sanctuary ko de nirok na takalak ng buwan.
we nirok na zakali nga
Oh yes.
we
That's what with the fish they are collecting from the visitors. They are maintaining this fish sanctuary.
So does the government help?
Government ni tak cakap ni ko man ni mo man.
Isip mo man nga. Kung ni
Yeah, there, government help also.